Welcome back to another episode of Salty Mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you do like what you see. Alright, let's go. I just had to stop the car for a moment. This whole morning routine, it just got out of hand. This is not really my morning. This is. So I made it to the office and now it's time to get to work. So this is my map of order. It really helps to keep everything organized. It's not fancy and it's not on the computer, but it's here and I like it this way. So now I'm gonna go out in this area to do a couple of more services. Let's go. So now I'm in a sailboat from Chanel dealing with a Yanmar 3YM30. My plan is to do a service, and now I finally have time to do it well. I was here not too long ago and I realized that all the cold weather is coming, so I don't have time to really do a proper service, so I thought it's better to just don't do it, just winterize everything and then come back later. So that's where I'm at right now. My plan is to focus on, you know, everything that has to do with diesel, water, air, and of course electricity, batteries. I want to make sure that the customer can turn the key around and everything should be 100%. That is my plan, and I'm always very, very thorough when it comes to this because I don't want any problems springtime. That's the time where I make money doing repairs. I don't want to be running around, you know, doing things I should have done before. So that's why I want to have a little bit of space around jobs like this so that I don't stress. So now let's just go to work. Yeah, there you go. Walking up and down this ladder is just killing me. My fingers are just so cold now. This metal is freezing. And yes, you might be thinking, why isn't that man wearing gloves on his extremely cold fingers? Well, I just hate gloves, really. I feel like I can't do anything with gloves on. So I don't even think I have gloves. All right, let me see. One hand for the stuff I'm carrying and one hand for me. finally I can put a pin in the last bolt. So, as you can see, my office looks like a mess, and I think it's about time that I clean up everything. I've done it before, I'm gonna do it again, but this time it's worse than it's been in a long time. And I don't think this really represents what type of business I want to be running. It can't be looking like this springtime when I got customers coming in here again. I just need to get everything cleaned. So, I don't really look forward to it because I don't even know where to start. But I'm gonna start, so let's do it. All right. So that's it for this time, folks. I know, it's kind of sad, but you know, I have to end it sometime. If you like what you just saw, you are so welcome to subscribe, like the video, and if you will, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. So now I'm back home, and I just realized while driving the car that I was a bit quick to say goodbye down at the workshop, because this is the last episode before Christmas. The holidays are coming up and I forgot to say Merry Christmas. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. God jul allesammen, Merry Christmas, and I will see you for the next episode as soon as possible. Cheers!